Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we're talking about the Walmart Prepaid Debit Visa card. Sometimes it's called a money card. And more specifically, we're gonna see if we can add it into our Amazon app as a payment method. So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, if you're not familiar with the Walmart Prepaid Debit Visa card, it's definitely one of the more popular prepaid cards on the market right now. And basically what you do is you just buy this little card at a Walmart. So I bought this one in Orange County. And then once you buy this card, then you can load cash, green cash, onto the prepaid debit card. Once that happens and you've registered the card, then you can use it at most places that accept debit Visa, which is most places these days. But can you add it into your Amazon app as a payment method? That's what we're going to find out. So I'm going to go ahead and open up my app. It's this white one with a blue shopping cart. If you don't have the Amazon app already, be sure to check my video description. I'll try to leave a referral link there. But I'm going to go ahead and open the app now. All right, so I went ahead and opened the app, and this is the home screen. And here on the home screen, you can click right here and go ahead and start shopping for things on Amazon. Here you'll see a couple of advertisements that are running on Amazon. It's Black Friday right now, so there's all these little promos running. And then down here, you'll see the different popular deals that are going on. But we're not going to worry about that. If you want to try to add your Walmart Prepaid Debit Visa card into your Amazon app, you want to click on this button right here, this one on the top left. It has these 3 lines on it. Once you click there, then a drop-down menu is going to happen. I'm going to click there now. All right, I went ahead and clicked there, and then here on this drop-down menu, you have a lot of different options, so you can check on your orders that you've made with Amazon. You can easily order things that you've already ordered again here on this line, but we're not going to worry about that. If you want to try to add your Walmart prepaid card, you want to click right here on your account. It looks like it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines down from the top. I'm going to go ahead and click there now. All right, next the screen pops up, and there's a lot of different tiles on here. So there's the orders tile, account settings tile, but you want to keep scrolling down until you see Amazon Wallet, which is right here. Here's where you want to go ahead and add and remove payment methods. So you want to go ahead and choose this first line right here called Manage Payment Options. I'm going to click there now. All right, so I went ahead and clicked there, and then this screen pops up. So here at the top, you can see your purchase preference. So it shows your typical shipping address and then also your primary payment method. And then down here under Manage Payment Options, you can see all the different payment methods you have associated with your Amazon account. But if you want to go ahead and add a prepaid debit card, you want to scroll all the way to the bottom. I'm going to scroll down now. All right, I went ahead and scrolled to the bottom, and then you're going to see this little line right here. It's kind of hard to see, but it's Add a Payment Method. That's where you want to click. I'm going to go ahead and click there now. All right, next the screen pops up, and they're asking for the name that's on this card along with the 16-digit Walmart prepaid debit card number and expiration date. I'm going to go ahead and enter that information in off screen now. All right, so I went ahead and entered in all of the required information. Next, this yellow button pops up called Add Your Card. I'm going to go ahead and click there now. All right, next this screen pops up and they're asking for me to choose the billing address that's associated with my Walmart prepaid debit card. Now the address you want to use is the address that you used when you first registered this card at walmartmoneycard.com. If you haven't registered your card, you want to be sure to go back and watch my other video that explains how to do that step by step. So I'm going to go ahead and scroll through and choose the address that's associated with my Walmart prepaid debit card now. All right, I went ahead and clicked there, and then this screen popped back up and it looks like yes, you can add your Walmart prepaid debit card into your Amazon app as a payment method. This little green icon popped up right here that says payment method added, and now I can see this debit Visa is now inside my Amazon account. If you were not able to add your Walmart prepaid card into your Amazon app for some reason, be sure to leave a comment below, let the rest of us know why that might be. But as far as I can see, it shouldn't be a problem at all. So hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, and I hope to see you on the next one. Thanks again for watching.